What up, Autosport family? The all-new Mercedes-Benz Maybach just rolled in, and right now they're doing a special offer for a limited time only. Buy a Maybach, and I come free along with it. As you guys previously know, his Lamborghini Urus was also here, and his AMG GT. He was very satisfied with the end result on both of his vehicles. So if you guys follow the NBA or basketball player, you guys know that his high school team was Rice, and he made his Urus a tribute to Rice High School. So now that he got the Maybach here, he said, I want the Maybach to be a tribute to my college. His college, as most of you know, is UConn in Connecticut. So the colors of that school are like a navy blue and a silver. So the original color now, it's a gloss black top and a white bottom half. We're gonna convert the gloss black top into a satin silver finish, and the white half is gonna be in a matte blue finish or in a gloss blue finish, but it has to be that navy blue that matches the school. Along the side, if you notice, the factory wheels, these are 21-inch Maybach rims. They come brush face, black inner. We're gonna do silver face with the blue inner in order to match the two-tone wrap. In addition to the wrap and the wheels, we're also gonna be doing a full chrome delete. However, it's not gonna be the usual gloss black or matte black chrome delete. It's actually gonna be the blue chrome delete in order to go along with the two-tone. Hello guys. Now we're in, wait, hold up. You're not supposed to close the door like that in the back. You gotta do this, baby. In addition to the work that we're gonna be doing in the exterior, we gotta add some pizzazz and something unique for Kemba in the interior. So we're gonna do a custom roof headliner in this vehicle. The headliner is gonna consist of nice little sprinkles and splashes of ambient lighting, and it's also gonna have signature logo engraved on the headliner as well. It's gonna give it a unique finish, a unique look, and it'll be one of one for a special basketball player. So the Autosport team is ready to get to work. The car is gonna go into the wash bay. We're gonna detail, prep the vehicle, and bring it straight into the wrap studio. And you guys are gonna get to witness everything we get done to this car from start to finish. And I can't wait for you guys to see the process. Back at the wrap studio, we have a S550 here. It's getting a Maybach conversion. It's also getting a two-tone wrap, satin white aluminum across the top, and a satin black on the bottom half. We did the 20-inch Maybach style wheels on the side with the red calipers to go along with it. In addition, this vehicle is getting a steering wheel done, carbon steering wheel, carbon pieces wherever it's wood grain in the car, custom star headliner, so this is gonna be nice too. Next to the big boy S550, we have my boy Fireman's M8.
Yo, I'm excited, man. This is Fireman Trips. I've been with Autosport family for about 6-7 years. They did my GTR, first GTR around here spitting flames like that, me and my man Shaq. But yeah, I'm excited. Waiting for this build to happen. I know they're gonna do it right. They're gonna take care of me. Everything is locked, loaded. Stay tuned.
It's all wrapped up, reassembled, and ready to go. We did a KPMF full wrap on this M8. We did the 22-inch 4G autos. We did a exhaust, tune, and we also got it popping like crazy. Gonna bring it out, detail it, and we're gonna hit up my boy Fireman Trips and let him know to come pick his bad boy up.
Let us hear what y'all
style always been about chow. My guns go boom boom and your guns go pow pow. Oh yeah, unmistakably so.
Hey, what's up guys? All right, so we got this 2019 BMW 7 Series, got rear-ended. I don't know what is it with BMWs and getting rear-ended. So it looks a little banged up. I mean, the damage is pretty obvious. So if you look at these gaps over here, look at this gap. See how wide this is? Now you look at this, it's a lot tighter over here. So that's an indicator that there might be some frame damage. So let's get this bumper pulled off and show you guys what's going on underneath. So we can see that this has been hit over here. On the outside, it looks like just a little scratch, but when you really get into it, this is a whole panel that just got separated from the actual trunk. And down here is bent, so that's something we're gonna have to address and get fixed. You know, the bumper was pulled off already, but I'll get you guys an idea. Look at that. That's the accident right there. So, and when it's pushed in, what happens is these two legs, they kind of like spread out a little bit, and it causes everything else to kind of like just get off balance. The exhaust pipe is crumpled up, so that exhaust system is no good and it has to get replaced. Some wire harnesses that are broken. There's a lot of stuff that goes back here, all these sensors. These are the radars for the blind spot assist. This is the damage. We're gonna get the parts ordered up and hopefully we'll get this thing back on the road in no time. And we'll put it back to factory condition or better.
Here we have the new 2021 Ford Raptor F-150, getting a full wrap and a green finish. Look how nice it's coming out. This color is amazing and this truck looks amazing. Check it out. Big progress here on the Dodge Charger Scatpack, matte black wrap, green highlight accents, gloss black wheels, custom tire letters, custom caliper paint to go along with the wrap. Looks amazing, coming out very nice.
Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Open the Zaza, they go straight to the mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside, it's a movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to the... You can have your bitch back to your groupies. She just swallow all my shit.
Hi, outside we have the big boy X5M. You know, the front plate, never screw your plate on. You could open at any time with our automatic ghost shade in the front. Along the side, we got the 22-inch 4G Auto Technica S1s. And if you look at those calipers, those are not ordinary calipers. We actually did the M colors. So that's something very unique. So anybody interested in doing like a multicolor caliper, look how nice that looks, and it's very rare. You don't see it all the time. And in addition to the plate, we have the AS Ghost Shade for the rear. So if you guys are ever at a car show or anything and you guys don't want to show your plate, you just hit a button, open and close. Right here, we have the Urus back in. Unfortunately, there was some damage done to the side on the vehicle, messed up the rim, fender's damaged, he lost the fender flare, side skirt, but that's no biggie because Autosport fixes all of that and we're gonna get him back up and running in no time.